2, 1, go.
Qualification match number 20. We have the rank number 3 against rank number 4. Let's see how many can change as Team Alpha unloads into the Red Alliance hub, and both Lady Cans and Purple Haze unload in the Blue Alliance hub. Team Alpha looks to be off the ground. Heading into the teleoperated mode, it's all Blue Alliance robots into the neutral zone trying to collect fuel, and it looks like both Team Alpha and Team Orion are hung up on fuel. They're entirely beached. They're going to want their friends from Tigertrons to help get them unstuck. Tigertron's trying to get over to the neutral zone as the Blue Alliance continues to load fuel onto the Blue Alliance side of the field in preparation for their shift. Kryptonite, Lady Cans, and Purple Haze all head back to the Blue Alliance side of the field and start unleashing a blizzard of fuel into the Blue Alliance hub. Tigertron successfully knocks their teammates free. The shift changes back over to the Red Alliance as Team Alpha empties their robot into the Red Alliance hub. Kryptonite launching some high arcs over to the blue side of the field. Tigertron is trying to shuttle some fuel over to Alpha. As we shift over back to the blue side, Lady Cans and Kryptonite fill up the hub, followed shortly by Purple Haze. We've surpassed 200 in live scoring on the Blue Alliance. With 30 seconds left in the match, both hubs are active. Lady Cans crashes over the bump to continue collecting fuel. Kryptonite and Lady Cans charge back to get one last shot into the Blue Alliance hub. Tigertron's hung up on the red bump. 5 seconds left in the match. 3, 2, 1. Final score, it's the Blue Alliance. 262 to 96. Blue Alliance gets 4 ranking points, 3 for the win and 1 for energizing their hub.